In this video, we'll be taking a look at the basic requirements for loading the core viewer into a web application. For this video, we have a small sample Node.js application that will be serving up vanilla JavaScript, HTML, and CSS as part of our integration. We will also be using a small application to simulate authentication and publication creation, pieces of the infrastructure that would normally be part of an integrating application. And we will use that to facilitate loading a file in the viewer. To start with, we will take a look at a simple HTML file. And this is the basics that is required to load the viewer into an HTML page. The first thing is a blank div with a specific ID, in this case, Bravo View Root. This div will be used by the viewer to load the viewer into the div. Next, we have a publication.js file, which is specific to this sample and is where our authentication token and publication data will be loaded. The next file is sample integration. We will cover that more in depth in a follow-up video when we get into the actual integration code. The next and most important piece of this particular file is the link to the viewer loader itself. This is the link that the viewer code will actually come from. And once this viewer is loaded, it will fire a specific event that we will see in the sample integration and then load the viewer into the Bravo View root. We also have a small sample CSS file, which just sets up some styling for the Bravo View root div to allow it to fit properly in the web page. So that's the basics for a very simple HTML page set up to load the viewer. In our next video, we will take a look at the sample integration.js file.